Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Free with Meenakshi Passy. Today, we're diving into a super important topic that can help you improve your communication skills instantly. Sometimes, we have to correct someone or share a different opinion, but saying you wrong can sound harsh or even hurt someone's feelings. So today, I'll show you some polite, respectful, and effective ways to express disagreement without sounding confrontational. Why does this matter? Well, the words we choose can make a huge difference in how our message is received. When we need to correct someone or express a different view, being kind and considerate with our words helps keep the conversation positive and constructive. So, here are some great alternatives to the phrase "you are wrong." Let's start with our first alternative: I believe there is a mistake. This phrase is a gentle way to point out an error without directly saying someone is wrong. It also opens the door for further discussion. Next, we have, I have a different perspective. This phrase shows that you're sharing your point of view, which keeps the conversation open and non-judgmental. It also emphasizes that there can be multiple ways of looking at something. Another great option is "let me clarify the situation." This is useful when there may have been a misunderstanding, and it keeps the focus on clarity instead of who's right or wrong. If you want a short and straightforward phrase, try "I see it differently." This is an easy way to signal that you have a different view without shutting down the other person's opinion. Similarly, "I see it from a different angle" is a friendly way to say that you're considering other aspects of the situation. It shows you've thought about the topic from multiple perspectives. "I think you may be mistaken" is polite, yet it also clearly expresses that you think there's an error. By adding "I think" and "may," it softens the statement, which makes it sound less accusatory. Another phrase to use is "I don't think it is accurate." This expression lets you gently challenge an idea without outright saying you wrong. It gives room for the other person to explain more if they want. You can also try saying, "I am not sure it's correct." This one is nice and humble, as it shows you're open to being corrected while still indicating that you think there might be an error. "That is not quite right" is a gentle way to address a small error. Using "not quite" makes it softer, which can be helpful when you want to avoid sounding too direct. And finally, "there might be an error in your understanding." This phrase shifts the focus from the person to their understanding of the topic. It's indirect, making it sound more helpful than critical. See how powerful word choice can be. Each of these alternatives helps you communicate clearly while being considerate of the other person's feelings. Remember, conversations are more productive when they're positive, and these phrases can really help with that. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these alternatives useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Learn English Free with Meenakshi Passy for more tips, and share this video with